Hey, what's happening, everybody? Zach here. If it's your first time dropping in, we cover all things crypto here on the channel. So, one of my top assets that I hold, which has been a little frustrating here in the back half of 2021, I will admit that, but I still love this one long term, is Cardano. So, we're going to jump into some reasons why I still am very bullish on Cardano heading into 2022. And I'm not so much concerned with the day to day price action of ADA because I could see into, 5 years from now, flash forward 10 years from now, where Cardano kind of fits into the grand scheme of the crypto landscape. So we're going to jump into that here in this video. Right now, we're taking a look at the overall chart here. And you can see here recently, these are daily candlesticks. We are slowly bouncing back up here as we've reached $1.45. I added to my bag here somewhere down at the $1.22 mark, something like that. I was happy to get back down there where, we didn't have that opportunity since way back in July. Okay. It's been a long time to get ADA this cheap. So I looked at this as an opportunity to buy the dips down in here. You could see we've got obviously some lines of resistance here just above the $1 mark. We saw the parabolic run all the way up into the $3 and some change mark ahead of smart contracts. We've seen the dump off, but a lot of this has been overall market conditions. And ADA has kind of slowly bled from retail wallets, right? A lot of people chasing those quicker gains, which that's okay. I totally understand that. But because again, long term, I totally still believe in ADA and what they're doing as it relates to smart contracts. Now, we can also see their on chain growth here as of December 20th, 2021, over 2.5 million wallets. They've got almost a million delegated wallets, over 3,000 stake pools. Okay, policies closing in on 40,000, total transactions over 23 million. And we could start to see that they've had some big highlights. Okay, even though the price has been kind of slowly bleeding here in the back half of 2021, they've done a lot of various things on their network. Okay, Cardano Africa show was in April. Cardano developer portal launch in July. The Alonzo hard fork, providing smart contract capabilities, came to market in September. The Cardano Foundation announced new delegation strategies in October. 500,000 trees funded through Veritree in December. They are really building out their network in various parts of the world, whether it be the Middle East and Africa and Europe. Cardano is trying to provide solutions to real world problems with blockchain technology, right? Putting students' records on the blockchain in countries that obviously are not as well off as maybe countries are in the Western world. So we're also seeing that the big institutions are slowly backing Cardano, like Grayscale Trust. So this is going to be something to watch. And again, it's been a kind of slow mover, especially in the crypto side of things, where people are so used to things moving up so quickly. But Cardano is here to stay, in my opinion. That's why it's my second largest holding. It is a lot more stable, in my opinion, than some of the other cryptocurrencies right now. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with some slow growing because I know that the capabilities of this thing to go to $8 to $10 in the near distant future is still very much in play. And that's what I'm looking at. And I think it's a good bet as well. That's why I am putting a lot of money into this one, along with Ethereum. These are my number one and number two partnership or assets that I hold. Okay, digital assets that I hold. So that's kind of where I'm at with Cardano. And yes, I'm still very, very bullish. They do have various things coming to the network. Here's the other thing too. We need to give them time for people to build on top of their network. Okay, it's been a little slow here, but I still want to give them time. Okay, now. Can I say that I'm totally pleased about the growth here in the back half of 2021? Absolutely not. But I do think we're going to see a nice pop in 2022. We are up 6% right now. There's the Cardano yearly chart. Okay. But still, where we've grown in the last year, okay, is tremendous. We've seen a ton of yearly growth. Okay. We could still see we down in here in December this time last year, we were trading for 15 cents. So we've come a long way still. When in doubt, zoom out a little bit. I think everybody has that $3 mark in our heads, and we thought it was going to be going to 5 to 10 right away. And we have, come back down obviously to, $1.20 mark, what have you. But now we're building back up almost to $1.50. I do think 2022 could be a nice little run for Cardano here. And let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day with family and friends. It's the time of year to do so. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.